Welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to repair a Samsung washing machine. The pump is not working properly. We start by removing this cover, and here are two screws that we need to remove, one on the right side and one on the left. Now, if you look here, we'll remove this one and also the one on the other side. This washing machine can be serviced in two ways. You can tilt it back and remove the pump from below, or the longer process is to remove the entire top cover and the front panel. It's a very long process with limited space, but in this case, I had enough room, so I slid the cover forward and then moved it back, giving me access to do what you see here. We remove it, along with the pump connected to the tub. Now we're going to remove this one too. It's very easy, guys. These clamps are very fragile. You can usually move them aside by hand. The one that's a little harder to remove is the one at the drain toward the back, which is this one here. I won't remove it because it has a clamp that requires pliers, as it's a bit tight. I'm only removing this one and the other one, okay? Now we slide the pump out. My phone was low on battery and almost died, but I focused on showing the most important part, how to remove the pump. Here it has one screw, and usually there are three in total. Next, we disconnect the power connections. All right, guys, now we can remove the pump. It's sometimes recommended to make a mark so you don't lose orientation when reinstalling it. As you can see, this pump is a little worn, with a lot of wear and tear. This is the new one that we're going to install. Before putting it in, make sure to clean it well with a cloth or something to remove any dirt so the ring or seal fits properly. I was recording with my phone, which was a bit tricky because it was almost night, but I tried to show as much as possible so you can learn and do it at home without paying anyone. All right, guys, it looks like it's done. Now we just need to put everything back in place. Before continuing, I want to mention that my phone did die a little, but it helped me record this part. When you finish, make sure everything is properly in place and that the hoses at the back aren't bent. Because if they're installed incorrectly, it could start leaking water. And that's it, guys. I hope this was helpful. I would have liked to show the full process of putting the washing machine back, but I gave you the general idea. We'll see each other in the next video. I'm Grandpa DIY Fix. Thanks for watching.